Hey everybody, can you guys help me find animal couples so that I can put them in my ark?
Alright guys, remember we have to find pairs. Let's get started. And here we have a hippo. Hippopotamus. Let's put it to the side and keep digging. Here is a cute elephant. Elephant. Let's put it to the side. Remember guys, we need to find pairs. Here is a panda bear. It's a black and white panda bear. Oh yay, look guys, we found another elephant. We have found a pair. We have two elephants.
Yay!
Oh yay, you found a pair of elephants. Thank you. Can you put it inside the ark?
Alright elephants, in you go.
Thank you so much. Please keep looking for more animals.
Okay guys, let's keep searching. Oh my, what is this? Oh, it's a green turtle. Look at all these colorful gumballs. Oh, what is this? It's a lion. Roar! Lion. I think I know what it is. It's the hippo. We found another pair, guys. Yay! Two hippos.
Yay!
In you go. Bye-bye, hippos. Oh, bye! We found another black and white panda. We have a male and a female panda.
Yay!
See you guys. Oh, it's a giraffe. What a pretty giraffe. Let's keep digging, let's keep digging. Here we have a pink gumball. Oh look, it's a cute leopard. It's orange with black spots. Here is another turtle. We found the matching turtle. Two turtles. Look at how cute they are.
Yay!
Okay guys, time to go into the ark. This is a lioness. We found the lion's pair.
Yay!
What a cute couple. I'll see you later, guys. Hey, I found another leopard. We found another pair, guys.
Yay!
Are you guys ready to go in the ark? Okay, let's go. I see something. It's the matching giraffe. Here's another pair.
Yay!
Bye-bye, giraffes. Oh, there's one more. Here is a zebra. It's a black and white zebra. Where's the pear? Oh, I see it. Here it is. Another zebra. This is our last pair, guys.
Yay!
We found everyone. Goodbye, little zebras.
Thank you so much, guys, for helping me find my animal pairs.
Alright, guys, I had so much fun looking for animal pairs.